Right, it is day 36. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It is day 36 of, on the way to become a millionaire. It's not actually day 36. I mean, I was trying to get better since the age of 14, 13. I read my first book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, when I was 14 years old. And since then, if only I could have daily vlog since I was 14 years old. Like, can you imagine me going from, like, even this laptop which I have right now, like here. I mean, don't look at, don't look at this. I mean, this laptop which I have here, and this table which I have, this chair which I have, everything would have been documented. Like, let me just make it a little bit more beautiful. Like I mean, I know it's the realistic way of how I work. This after me training, usually I get sweat. I go and have shower, but I don't really want to wash my things, my pants and stuff. That's why I just put them on, dry a little bit. Yeah, what I want to say, every one of the things, like when I bought this chair, when I bought this table, when I bought this, MacBook, alhamdulillah, and when I got this iPhone on which I'm recording at the current moment, everything would have been documented. Can you imagine that? Like here, like I have all these boxes. Like this box right here of my iPhone. Like if I would have been, on January alone, I made 43 videos. 40 freaking 3 videos. Let's say I would have been, been daily vlogging since the age of 14. I mean, the problem is in that I, started talking on English at the good level when I was about 15, 16 years old. About 15 and 16 years old. But let's say I was speaking, good English when I was 14, and I started recording myself when I was 14. So at the current moment I'm filming, I'm 17 years old. 17 years old, right? 14 years old, 17. So it's 3 years. 3 years. Okay, let's now make a quick math right here. I mean, this is not for, just to brag or anything. Like, I genuinely have a goal and aim to motivate and inspire you to document your journey on YouTube or any kind of freaking platform you want. The YouTube is the best one because we got used to see and watch vlogs on YouTube, and I can't imagine watching someone's vlog on Reels on Instagram. Like, it's just too boring. There's so many, it's just too easy to skip your video, brother. What I want to say, bro, document your fucking journey. Like last time, if you watch the video when I made which I made it yesterday, there was a guy which was saying that the fame is the best business which you can have, right? I mean, the good and respectful way of achieving fame, not like, just cringy vlogs like a Logan Paul, but genuinely doing business and just, recording what you're doing on the way, right? It's 7 p.m. at the current moment. Let me say it before I forgot it. Today is the wedding of one of our relatives in our family, one of our relatives in, like, you get it, right? And my mom said, are you gonna go to the wedding? And as you can see, there is no one at home. I'm alone. I mean, it's my mom's room over there. As you can see, there is no one here. Okay. And I choose to not go to to not go to wedding and rather sit down and work. Not only work, there is one thing which I really wanted to say you. Let me tell you before I forgot it. Okay, as you can see here, no sleep challenge, 3rd February 2024. Literally, I'm serious. I'm all serious. Today is the February 3rd and I woke up at 8 a.m. I overslept Fajr, overslept the morning prayer which we as a Muslims pray. That's why I'm furious on myself, and I decided that, you know, to not skip the tahajjud and the Fajr, which I'm gonna pray yesterday. I am not gonna sleep at all, like not gonna sleep at all, you know, until the February 4. So not only it's gonna help me to reset my brain, reset my immune system, right? Because if you're not gonna sleep one day, the next day, February 4th, I have a plans to fall asleep about 7 or 8 p.m. so I can on February 5th wake up at 4 or 5 a.m., which is my goal and aim, to be able to wake up every day like that, right? And when I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. on the January 5th, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pray Fajr and Tahajjud. I mean Tahajjud first and then Fajr again, which is cool, 2 days in a row, right? And that day, because I woke up very early, I'm gonna fall asleep early, about 8 or 9 maybe. The next day I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. also because I went to bed late, I mean early. So kind of makes sense, I hope, at least. So I mean that's the goal. If only I hope, inshallah, I am not gonna fall asleep during the day, because I usually work from home and all I need to sleep is just rug, you know, just a floor, just a flat space. I really don't care if I have a pillow. I mean, I just get used to sleeping on a floor. Just the kind of person I am. Yeah, especially after reading Zuhur and Asr, really close to Maghrib time. I mean, it's so, just so hard to be awake, even if I woke up at like 6 or 7. I don't know, for some reason, me especially, I just want to fall asleep and sleep like an hour or two. Okay, but we're not gonna sleep today, inshallah. We're not gonna sleep today. We're gonna pray tahajjud, we're gonna pray fajr, there are a lot of things which I have planned for today actually, and to use my time wisely. And the best way to spend my time right, you see, DM at least 100 people, right? DM at least 100 freaking people, literally 100 to 150. So I used to, at max, like I had a like goal to DM every day to 50 people. And because I'm not gonna sleep today, I'm gonna have about like 6 or 8 hours extra of work which I can do. I'm gonna do probably, I already did like 100 push-ups on the beginning of the day. I'm probably gonna do another 200 by the end of the day and at night. And what am I gonna do? I'm gonna DM about 100 people. I already, as you can see right here, all of these tabs are, I mean, okay, you get it. All of these tabs, like this one, I don't think it's, I think it's my personal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 22 people. I already opened their direct messages, like ready to just, you know, copy this message, get right here, just type it and just send it. I already have DM'd 31 out of 50 people, like the normal, you know, normal wage, how would I say that? So when I'm gonna hit 50, it's 7 p.m. I'm gonna go and eat something, probably drink some coffee to stay awake. And I'm gonna DM 50 people. I already overdid. You can see here, probably you can see it. Okay, I apply for work every day, as you might know, to get a programming job, a coding job, to maybe make some money over there, take this salary and invest it into my company to get rich, because I don't have plans to be a slave, right? Yeah. Okay, what I want to do, what I want to do. Apply for work. I already applied more than I was actually planning to, right? I applied to 35 out of 30 companies. Like 35 out of 30 companies I was aiming, you know, to message and, you know, like apply. So, yeah, I believe that even with this DMing stuff, even if it's very, how to say that, very high, we can even overdo even like this DMing stuff maybe overnight, because I genuinely have motivation and I genuinely have this fire inside of mine. Like, I'm just curious. Yes, there's so many half naked girls I saw in last freaking 20 minutes, but you know what, is I made a goal. As soon as I see something haram, I'm gonna, even if I'm not gonna be able to close my eyes or just, you know, look away, at the moment when I saw it, as soon as I realize that I didn't do it, I'm gonna say astaghfirullah at least 3 times. 3 times. Just 3 times. Astaghfirullah. And it goes away. It goes away. Just remember one thing, that the devil is weaker than you. Just, he's genuinely weaker than you. Like, and it's someone who is weaker than you. Just, you know, whispering the, no. Remember that? Who is whispering you these feels and thoughts? Because when you see your enemy, it's a lot easier, right? Like, understand that these filthy thoughts are not just, you know, from you. They are not coming from you. They are getting whispered, right? And probably gonna go to my granddad's house. I'm probably gonna record day 36, 37 from my granddad's house, when it's gonna be about like midnight or something. Right? It's just yeah, it's gonna be very interesting, definitely. So, I mean, I don't know what to share with you. Like, honestly, just first thing which I want to say, document your journey, please. I beg you, like, not even for your audience, not for all these views, not for all these things, not for other people. Don't try to please them. Don't try to you know, please other people, your family, you know, like all these viewers. Like, don't give a damn about viewers, don't give a damn about following stuff. I genuinely started vlogging every day. If you watch the first videos which I have recorded, like probably day 1 or 2, yeah, yes, I made a mistake recently that I kind of, was thinking too much about, people are not writing comments, people are watching my videos less, blah 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 blah. But then I remember the ultimate goal which I had in my mind when I was starting this journey. The ultimate goal was to record and document this journey, not for somebody else, not for my mom, not for you guys out there. I mean, it might hurt you because I'm saying you that you are not the number one reason why I'm doing it, but this is genuinely the truth. Because if I will try to please you, one day you are with me, second day you might not. That's why the ultimate goal is me. Like, I mean, in real life, the God is first, Allah is first. Like, my desires, not the first. But in this YouTube stuff, bro, I'm doing everything. Like this daily vlogs, right? Even if it's really like not something you want to do, it sucks. I mean, it's just like, you need to like think about what you're gonna say. You need to like upload it. I mean, you're gonna spend some kind of energy. You're gonna spend some kind of time. I mean, like I spent about 20 minutes just talking to my camera right now. I could have spent this time DMing people, and I would have achieved already this 50 out of 50, and I could have go and eat my meal and just get back to work again. I could have spent all this time for something which is primarily gonna make me money, right? But instead, I'm documenting, I'm recording this video. Why? Because future me, bro, he's gonna be ultimately proud of younger me, who is recording the stages of his life when not bad, but alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. When you're trying to achieve something, like when you're on the way there, you're not there yet, right? You're not there yet, but you're on the way. There is a good saying in Islam: Muslims are not interested in the impact. Muslims are interested in the pursuit of impact. Because if you remember, the result is not from you, the result is from him. The work which you can put in, the amount of people which you can DM, the amount of hours you can work, the amount of hours you can sleep, the amount of everything, all of these choices which you can make are on you. And nobody freaking else. It's just you. Okay? Allah gave you choices. God gave you choices, right? So, yeah. I don't know, honestly. Business is boring. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to show. Like, how many people I DM'd? Like, the kind of people I DM'd? Like, you literally want to know that? You're not interested in it. You are not interested in it. You don't want to see this. You don't want to saw that. You don't want to know it. It's just so boring. It's just the worst kind of content I can share with you. Because I believe you are here to not see what kind of people I'm DMing and what kind of perfect business I'm building. You are here to saw your brother, your friend, somebody else who is about the same stage at life as you are, and you want to feel that you're not alone, maybe, and you're not alone. God is with you. Okay, I talked enough. I wanna go and eat something. Peace.